Hi friends. So friends, today in this video we are watching the beautiful wooden room partition designs. There you can see there the beautiful designs are available. So friends, nowadays these partitions has become more popular due to their flexibility and with the natural beauty. So wood instantly adds the natural beauty, warmth and elegance to any space. Also they are available in countless finishes. Nowadays they became the statement piece rather than just a functional dividers. Also, they can match or contrast with the existing furniture for a cohesive or a dramatic looks. There's some beautiful advantages like which creates the privacy without the permanent walls. Also perfect for the studio apartments, open plan homes, loft spaces, or the large living rooms where you want separate zones. And it also offers a visual and acoustic privacy, which will allowing air and some light to pass through, especially lattice or slated designs. They're also very flexible and mobility, so unlike the fixed walls, wooden partitions are movable and reconfigurable. So you can change the layout whenever you want. And another advantages of it is a natural light and air circulation. So partitions lets the light filter through beautifully, creating interesting shadow patterns. They also maintain the airflow better than the solid walls, which is great in hot climates. Solid or thick wooden panels absorb the sound better than the curtains or open space, which reduce the echo and giving a loud, slight sound barrier, which are useful for the homes, office, or the TV areas. Also, they are eco-friendly and sustainable options. So, when made from a recyclable wood, FSC certified, or they are an environmentally responsible choice. So friends, their versatility in style. So you can select as per your room designs, as per your requirement, the size and the models. Also, it adds the texture and the depth. So for a rich textures and three-dimensional interest that paint or wallpaper alone can't achieve. Some designs include the shelves or hooks, which are great for the entryways or the dressing rooms. Also, it increases the perceived value of space, so because high quality, beautifully crafted wooden partition often makes a room feel more luxurious and thoughtfully designed. So, friends, always select the good panels for maximum privacy and sound blocking, and always select the choose for slatted designs for light play and ventilations. And for teak and shisham are the natural termite resistant and durable for the long term use, but also for a budget friendly option engineering wood panels, partitions are all the good option. And for regular oiling or polishing keeps the beauty alive for decades. So friends, in a short, a beautiful wooden room partition is one of the most effective ways to divide a space while actually enhancing its beauty, warmth and functionality. So friends, here are the most important points to consider before buying a wooden room partitions to avoid any regrets later. So always first consider the purpose of the partitions, like privacy only, light plus airflow, and reductions, or if you want for purely decorative item. Another point to consider is the height and the width. So always select the standard ceiling height. So measure the exact space. Folding screens are adjustable, fixed panels are not. So, and another one is the type of wooden partitions. So there are the solid wood and engineering wood for there are the good strong wooden partitions are available. Another one is a wooden type and quality. So for durable, teak is most preferable, and for budget friendly options, so plywood and mango wood are affordable, beautiful grain but softer and less termite resistant. Engineering wood with veneer but is well with the humidity, so avoid this. And always check the weight and stability. So heavier is more stable but harder to move. And always check the finish and maintenance. So for polishing, rich look but shows the scratches easily. And one of the most important point to consider is about the budget. So always consider your budget. So friends, for a budget friendly option, I will share some beautiful room dividers for your modern home. You can check out my description for the latest price and discounts. So friends, if you have still any doubts regarding to the room partition, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I given in the description. So friends, if you like my videos, then please like this video, share with your friends. Thank you for watching. So friends, once again, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, share with your friends.